OpenAI is planning to integrate its artificial intelligence-powered video generation tool Sora directly into ChatGPT, its popular AI chatbot. Unveiled in December 2024, Sora is accessible through a dedicated web app, but the company aims to broaden its appeal by making it available within ChatGPT. The American Artificial Intelligence Research Organization initially marketed Sora to creatives and video production studios. The AI-powered video generator allows users to generate up to 20-second-long cinematic clips. OpenAI's product lead for Sora, Rohan Sahai, stated, "The company is actively working on integrating Sora into ChatGPT." However, Sahai didn't provide a timeline for the integration. The version of Sora integrating into ChatGPT might not offer the same level of control as the web app, where users can edit and attach footage. By integrating it, the company might be trying to attract more users to its premium subscription plan, which could offer higher video generation limits. Additionally, OpenAI plans to expand Sora's generation capabilities to images, potentially allowing users to create more photorealistic photos. OpenAI is also working on a new version of Sora Turbo, the model that currently powers the web app. Sahai mentioned that the company might build a standalone mobile app for Sora.